I love my kayak, I hug it so tight. I keep it beside me all through the night. I blow up its airbags, I smooth its spray skirt. I watch out for rocks just so it won't get hurt. When I'm in my kayak, I'm in great company. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I take care of it, it takes care of me. My helmet is cracked, my life jacket shot. My paddle's in bad shape, I think it's dry rot. But my roof racks are padded, my tie downs are strong. Wherever I go, my kayak goes along. It's me and my kayak, inseparably. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I take care of it, it takes care of me. When I'm in my kayak and drifting downstream, all of my troubles, they're only a dream. Got no bills to pay, got peace in my soul. When I'm on the river, then I'm on a roll. Roll on in my kayak, so wild and so free. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I take care of it, it takes care of me. Yes, I'm a kayaker, and I know when I die, I'll find that big river up in the sky, where you run every rapid with just a boat scout. And once you put in, you don't have to take out. And my kayak will be there, I'll take it, you see. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I'll take care of it, it'll take care of me.